That's sad they drinking dirty water. They taking a bath in that dirty water and they drinking it. Goodness gracious. I didn't know they drink dirty water like that. That's oily water too, cause I'm about to get my oil change. I'm at this oil change place. I'm about to get my oil change, and they drinking dirty water. Oh, look at those birds. Oh, they eating grass. Look, look, look. Can y'all see? I don't know if y'all can see that. That looks cool. Oh wow, look at that one. Wow, that one all the way in there. You see that? Goodness gracious. He got his whole nose and face almost in there. Wow. Goodness gracious. Let me see if I can get a close-up. Oh, it is close enough. And these birds is not even moving either. It's something that these birds are not afraid of people for some reason. Any other bird would like fly away, you know? And like these type of, I don't know what you call these type of birds. I don't know if these are geese or swans or what. Oh, look, I wish I had some food for these things. Look at them. My goodness. I don't know what they're gonna do when I start my car. I don't know what they're gonna do when I start my car. Oh, there's a little one. My goodness. Let's see if I can do like a far back now. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I counted 7. So that's 4 there. It's 1 here, and it's 1 over there. So that's 4, 5. Wait a minute, how did I count 7? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. So that's all 5. That's 3, that's 2, that's 5. Goodness gracious. So that's 5. So I have 1 more. So that's 6. So that's 6 birds. Alright, I'm about to get my oil change. Nah, he ain't closed down this roof yet. I don't know what they about to do now. Look, I think those are the adults, maybe. That's the biggest one right there. And there's another big one over there. So I believe that's an adult. That's an adult. Oh, and the rest of them are the kids. Oh, I get it now. Oh, so you guys don't see. I don't know if you guys can see them over there. Oh, they about to leave. Don't leave, baby. Don't leave my mama. Oh, they about to leave. He's still gonna have his little old fun. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this here is the Dontrel Dontrel station, the Dontrel Dontrel channel. Please subscribe. This here is the Dontrel Dontrel station, the Dontrel Dontrel channel, and please subscribe. That's DONTREL. That is DONTREL. Please subscribe. Oh, they about to get ready to leave. Well, I had fun. I'm glad I didn't have to start my car and scare them off. Wow, they had their fun in the water. Hey, bye, girlie. They leaving the show. See you later, friend. Bye, friend. Oh, bye, friend. Bye. Please subscribe, y'all. Bye.